Okay. The first day's topic is, do you like to keep things tidy? I mean, yes, in theory. I like this idea of a tidy room, of course. But actually, I don't clean my room regularly. And so what happens is, one day I noticed the fallen hairs are covered everywhere and they are very noticeable. Or my desk is really cluttered. I can't find my things in a distance. Then I get a sudden burst of energy and go completely nuts. Then I clean my room, I sweep the floor, I organize my wardrobe, and I organized my desk. Then everything put away. My room looks amazing. I feel like, oh, my life. Sorry. I get my life. Oh, I get my life together finally. Then the life is continued. Then the life continues, and after several days, the room will look. Sorry. Yet after several days, my fallen hairs will cover the floor again, and my desk looks like a mountain, and my desk will disappear under a mountain, and then the random stuff and the cycle continues. So I'd like to be tidy, but I just it's not easy for me.